Hi, I'm with Unification. We're official partners with SHIB, and in the ecosystem we help build Shibarium, help building with Shiba Swap. We have Oracle services for price feed, and we also have our main chain and work chains for enterprises if they want to put data on the blockchain.
Aleo is a layer 1 blockchain that focuses on privacy by default. So if you think of the programmability of Ethereum and the privacy of Zcash, if they had a baby, it'd be Aleo. Check out our website at aleo.org.
Hi everybody, I'm with Ray Parker from Rainmaker. Hey.
Rainmaker does a couple different things. So Rainmaker in and of itself is an influencer engagement platform where users and influencers are able to post on social media via our application and earn cryptocurrency reward.
Fabio from Corium. Hey, what do you guys do?
Nice to be here. We built a layer 1 blockchain on the Cosmos SDK that it's meant to solve enterprise problems, and in that sense we came up with a technology called smart tokens, which makes it easy for developers to program tokens as you would program a smart contract.
Excellent. Hi everybody, I'm with Mishka from LocalCoin.
So we are a Toronto-based company. We started in 2017, and 6 years down the line, we have 900 locations all over Canada. And the machine you're looking at is a two-way machine, we call it, which is a buy and sell machine. So I'll just show you a demonstration how it works. So just touch the screen. Today, let's buy Bitcoin. So we'll just click on the Bitcoin, and it asks you to buy. So because it's a two-way machine, it has some options, but we are going to buy today. And it'll ask you to read these things. This is what it means that we are not a government body. We are not going to contact you for any reason, and we are not CRA as well.
Hi everybody, I'm with John Castagno from UkaPay.
So we are a Canadian payment processing company. We have developed various products from APIs, online checkouts, POS technology, invoicing tools, all tailored towards helping businesses accept crypto and settle into fiat or stablecoins.
From Luna.
So we are a PR and marketing agency focused on Web3 and disruptive tech. All the major Web3 names that you've heard of, individuals, even Web2 companies that are looking to enter Web3, we work with all of them. You can find us at lunapr.io or on Twitter at lunapr1 or on Instagram at lunapr.io.
Hi, hello, pleasure to be here. So Digit is a decentralized exchange protocol that is built on Ethereum blockchain using zero-knowledge technology. So basically the goal of Digit is to make decentralized trading as fast and as efficient and use intuitive as centralized exchanges.
Excellent, excellent.
Right.
Okay, we got your page open, so if I'm on there, this is what I would
This
I
is
would get.
exactly how it looks like. So you can trade Ethereum-based tokens. Yeah, please check it out.
Hi everybody, I'm with Peter from Virgo CX. Peter, what do you guys do?
So Virgo CX is a regulated Canadian crypto trading platform.
I saw you guys last year. What changed in the last year?
From last year to this year, there's a lot of different features that we've, basically put on the app. For example, launching just recently, we have gamification. We call it Virgo Boost.
Okay.
Basically enjoying little games, and you can earn satoshis from there. Also, we have a very good referral program. So if you have a lot of friends and families, you can leverage on that. So basically, you're earning off the spread that they're trading on. So,
Oh, excellent, excellent. Okay, guys, where do we find you?
go on to www.virgocx.ca or go look for from App Store or Google Play Virgo CX.
Hi everybody, I'm here with Ryder Habdale. He is from Helios. What do you do?
Tony, thank you for having me. I'm the founder of Helios. Helios is a Web3 music streaming ecosystem where creators get paid fairly and transparently for all engagement with their content. I'm a musician. I tour with a band, Broken Social Scene, and we're out to disrupt music streaming. So it's like a Spotify meets Instagram with a better payment model and all the user-generated content. You can mint NFTs directly to Solana. It's a mixed feed of albums. You know, we could be listening to music here. Photos from last night. We got our first user base coming together. There's 1,000 albums, 12 labels on here now. Now, if we want to mint an NFT, me and Tony here.
All right, let's do it.
We're gonna mint an NFT right now on app. This is not a Web 2 platform. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is our new cover for our album. All right, Tony. Now, if I want to monetize this, mint this as an NFT, we pick a sale price. $10. It's
I'm worth $10.
0.4 Solana.
Damn.
We're gonna make 100 copies of this, Tony. We're gonna
Do it,
sell out.
baby.
When we click in here, if we added music, you could listen to it. I'm just gonna hit pause on the player. But right now you can buy this NFT. Boom, like that.
Damn, I look good. Look at me, baby.
Awesome. Hey everyone. So we're actually a layer 1 out of China. It's really an amazing piece of tech. We're really fast, really secure. We are also EVM compatible, really low fees. But actually, like beyond the tech, what really sets us apart is we're the only compliant chain in China. So every NFT that's minted in China, it is all actually minted on Cabana.
Hi everybody, I'm with Mo and Ashkan. You guys are from what company?
Trimorph Creative Revolution. Basically a media production company, music and pictures. 2019, we stepped into NFT and Web3 space and opened up an extra venture which was called Extramorph. And since then we've been working with a lot of big companies, big names, producing content for them. And we brought a lot of big brands' visions to life into Web3.
Hi, my name is Chelsea and I am the co-founder of Chorus. Imagine Pinky Doll getting paid in streaming crypto payments. Well, we allow content creators to get streamed in crypto payments, and this is more automated for brands, so brands can directly pay to the creators using crypto. You can find us online at chorus.io.
This guy and me are gonna make $1 million.
I am famous.